right now walking Peppy, and it started raining. Isn't that right, Peppy? It started raining. Yeah. So I think maybe we should just keep walking on. I'll try and keep talking, but or no, we'll just do it from here for now. I'll keep trying to do a bit more film, but yeah, sometimes you just gotta walk your dog, and when you have the time, even if it's raining. It wasn't raining when I started walking, but sometimes things don't always turn out the best, but it's still a lot of fun. And I think Peppy's having a ton of fun. Isn't that right, Peppy? But maybe I'll recap when I get back at home, or when it dries out a little bit. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's a bit cold and wet. But it's all for Peppy. It's all for you, Peppy. Peppy, what are you doing? Peppy! What are you doing? You're so dirty. Jeez. Well, it's quiet down a little bit now. It's not raining as much anymore, thankfully, but a bit damp. A little bit damp at the moment. But yeah, this park, it gets featured a lot in a lot of vlogs because I like to walk dog, and it's kind of nice scenery and whatnot. But in middle of winter, it's all green and grass, as you might have noticed from all like the different videos. I mean, look at this. In summer, this would all be brown. So it's pretty cool. It is very nice to walk in winter. But it's pretty nice in summer as well. A bit hot sometimes, but I don't know, it's just very contrasting scenery. Brown, then to green and all luscious, arid. It's just like pretty crazy. But yeah. Whew. I wonder if it will rain again. Hopefully not. Hopefully not.